We left off, you enter your data, 3 columns. You have your time of the day you did the measuring, and then a column for your Charleston temperatures, a column for your Phoenix temperatures. All right, next step, we're going to highlight the data that we want to graph. You go up to Insert, come over here to your graph selection, choose the scatter diagram, choose the one connected by lines. So now we have our basic graph, and we need to clean up things. We've got to identify the color with the actual place. So we're going to highlight the color key, go to Select Data, and now Series 1 is the data for Charleston. So you go and you click the word Edit above that. To double check it's Charleston, you see the data range is 7592, that's Charleston. Series name is what you'll now type the actual location name. Charleston, South Carolina. Click OK and it appears on your graph. Now we want to do the other one for Phoenix. You click Series 2, go to Edit. Series name is the place, which is Phoenix, Arizona. You see that from the 89 and above, click OK. And then we click OK. And now we've got the symbol key taken care of. Next thing, we want to get rid of chart title. Titles are not a proper position for scientific writing. Get rid of it, just highlight it, hit backspace, it disappears. Now we're going to fix our axis scaling. So we go to the vertical axis, we see it's not going to go down to 0 degrees in the summer. So we're going to go down to Format Axis, come over here to the right side of your screen, choose the minimum, something like up around 60 degrees, hit Enter, and you see it adjusts your graph. Okay, now we got to adjust the times because we didn't collect them at all times. So you highlight your X-axis, go to the right side of the screen. You started at 9, so it'd probably be good to select 8 o'clock as an early time. We went to 2100, so that is 9 o'clock at night. 10 o'clock is 2200, so that's okay. You could have gone out to 2400. So now we see the graph's looking good, but we don't have a label for this axis Y or the X-axis. So we go to the plus sign, and we see axis titles. So now we got to highlight the axis title.
Do you know why you're in timeout? Because I've told you multiple times not to touch the vacuum cord or the vacuum.
And get that one changed to temperature. Oh, just giving some notes. Not real. It's not live. All right, temperature. And then we do the same thing for the X-axis, and that is time. And now your graph is finished. Now we got to put it into a Word document. So you highlight the whole graph, and you then go copy, go up here to Home and copy. Then you go to your Word document, and you paste it. We already did this, we'll do it again below the stuff. You paste it, and there you have everything your graph was. Okay, now we've already done the other stuff at the top of the page for your final report. So you would have pasted it at the top of the page, like we did right there. And then you got to give it a figure title, which says what, when, and where. And then below that, you'll type your 3 discussion sentences relating climatic differences. And of course, we'll want to move this down a little bit. Well, you want to make sure your name is on your report. So let's try and move. Oh, we can go up and put this position, wrap text, go tight, and we can move the text down. There's all kinds of stuff you can do here. All we're trying to do is make some room for your name at the top of your report. Slip that down, and then type your name. Of course, mine is John Williams. And then we'll submit it to Blackboard, and we'll be grading from there. We see the figure title needs to go down one more, clean that up, and there you have it. We're all done.